Hi, I'm on 46 with the intersection of, I think it's Woodbridge. There was just a really bad accident. Someone ran a red light and...
accident? Someone ran the red light? On the CBS?
Yes.
Okay. You weren't involved, correct? You just
No.
walked in? Okay. Are airbags deployed?
Hold on. I'm gonna pass by them now.
Okay.
Yeah, there's airbags on multiple vehicles.
Airbags
There's
deployed?
2 or 3 vehicles involved.
Okay. Give me 1 second, I'll hang up.
Lawrence out there to make him cry. That's what I want to hear. They talk about the impact of that day. What you guys want? You guys help? Cobra Kai won. Democracies are not defined by bad days. And Miyagi-Do's not dead yet.
What are you doing, sir? Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Wore it like a pendant. As for me, I was awake for hours and hours. Buckminster curled up next to me. I wouldn't have to think about things. Je suis.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Well, it happened. Someone wanted to test the Schrockworks plate bumper, pushed it back, which bent a metal seam on the factory body, causing the fender to push out and bend the headlight down a hair. Have some damage to the powder coat from Lilu's bumper, straight eating his Mazda. Rigid Q2 bumper lights are destroyed, and I found the inner CV boot on my passenger axle is now split, throwing grease all over my suspension. Now to deal with insurance and all the other headaches that come with this sort of crap. Be safe out there, get a dash cam, and keep your head on a swivel, devil dogs. Murray PD was able to locate said lowlife, and it even ended up on the local news.
Alpha 7, 3 Alpha Alpha Foxtrot 7.